this video, I'll be showing you how to refund or return items on Temu. In this case, how do we make a refund or return items on Temu? Well, returning items on Temu or refunding an item is actually pretty easy. So first things first is we need to open up the Temu mobile app. Let's go ahead and click on Temu here and open it up. Now from the main menu, what we need to do is we need to view our orders. So at the bottom center of the screen, go ahead and click on the U tab. And from here, what we need to do is we need to go to the Your Orders section. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to look for the order that we want to return or refund. Now, in this case, there are going to be a specific time frame for specific orders that you made on your account. So meaning some orders might not be eligible, especially if your order was like a few months ago. So especially it's really important that once you want to make a return or refund, make sure to do it immediately. In this case, maybe I want to return one of the recent items or package that I actually ordered. So let's go and click on return/refund in there. And from here, it's going to say, or it's going to ask you, have you received your package? So in this case, let's go and click on yes, I received that. But if you answered no here, go ahead and answer no. And from then on, you should be able to see next screen, which in this case, it will actually immediately redirect you to our page. In this case, you'll be able to make a report that you didn't receive your package, though they will actually process and assess on how they will actually make a refund for you. In this case, just in case, like for example, we just answered yes here, this is how it's going to look like. So in this section here, we need to choose the item that we want to return. So if you have multiple items here, go ahead and select that. For now, I just want to select one item here, which is going to be Wi-Fi Smart Socket. So in this case, my Wi-Fi Smart Socket here, it doesn't actually work. So it's actually faulty here. So now it's going to ask us the reason for the return. In this case, it's going to select the reason here. So there's going to be a lot of reasons that you can basically do here. So in this case, maybe I want to say the item is defective or doesn't work. Let's go and choose that and just click on confirm. And from here, we need to provide some some photos or comments in here for us to make our claim or our return a lot stronger, because they will be reviewing your request here first before it's actually approved, or you'll be able to actually have a return. In this case, maybe I want to comment here. Let's just say item doesn't work and automatically shuts down. Now from here, we also want to actually specify how basically attach photos or videos of the product that is currently faulty. Let's go ahead and do that. So when attaching or adding videos in here, you have the option to either upload from your album or take a photo via your camera. In this case, I actually uploaded from my gallery here, so this is just an example, that's why I uploaded that photo. But for now, let's go and click on next step at the bottom right of your screen. And from here, it's going to give you some information or return information here. So in this case, make sure to read all of the details I have here. For example, you are eligible for one free return of one or multiple items for every order. So meaning you won't have to pay anything when you actually make a return on one of your orders. Now, the options or the return policies here or return information might be different on different regions. But in this case, in this row, this is how it actually works. But for now, let's go and click on next here. And from here, you should be able to see the option here that's in this case, you'll be able to select your payment or the method that you want to have your refund. So in this case, you could use or have a Temu credit balance here, which in this case, you'll be able to receive in seconds, which in this case will never expire. Also, you have the option here to have your original payment method as a means of returning your funds. In this case, go ahead and choose that and just click on submit. And if you choose either Temu credit balance or original payment method, which in this case, you should be able to basically have your funds. Again, if you choose original payment here, they will review that first and process it. So it might take a few days or a few weeks. Like for example, right now, it's going to take around June 6th or June 19th, which is around 2 weeks from the creation of this video. But yeah, so in this case, just click on submit here and that would actually process your return or refund in Temu. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.